Hello, readers. Today we had our last day of working on the 100 book challenge. We're going to keep working on it, but now you'll have other writing workshop lessons, okay? So, now that we're working on these skills, next week we'll launch our challenge where you have the chance to log your books, and we are going to see how quickly we can get up to 100 books read. So, in order to do that, we are always working on this target here. When we read any text, we want to make sure that we ask and answer questions and try to make connections to it, okay? I know we might not have worked on the connections as much, but that's okay because that is part of the goal we're trying to reach, right? And we have asking questions and answering down. So we're in a good place to be at our 3 goal very soon and to maybe even start to think about that 4th goal of going above a 3rd grade reader. Okay? So today you will be reading fiction again, right? We have 25 minutes of reading. You need to read fiction first. That's what I want you to focus on first. And then if you're done a fiction story, I'm okay if you read whatever you want after that. So fiction is your dinner today. And we remember that fiction means it's a made-up story. So right, it did not take place in real life. But just like an informational text, you can still ask yourself questions to make sure you understand what you're reading when you're reading a fiction book. Questions like, who are the characters? What's happening in the story? What is the problem, or what are the problems in the story? And how is the problem or problem solved? So I want you to focus on these 3 questions. If you forget, I have them in our assignment today. You can just click on Fiction Anchor Chart and use that to help you. All right? Okay, get to work, readers.